Welcome to Justina's Healthy Ghanaian Meals, where we meal prep healthy Ghanaian meals each week.
Hi, welcome to part 2 of the video where we make Ghanaian light soup filled with nutrients.
Okay, so this week's soup that I will be making to go with my meals is Ghanaian light soup. Yes, who doesn't love Ghanaian light soup? This Ghanaian light soup, I will be using eggplant, butter beans, and peanut. Yes, if you grew up in Kumasi just like me or any other part of Ghana, this is the ingredients we use to make light soup. Yes, soup, I will be using bone beef. Bone beef, whenever you cook it, it's so good for your skin, collagen. I love always cooking with bones in my soup to get all of the nutrients in it. I will also add some smoked fish that I have in the fridge, so stick around. So let's get started.
So I have here some smoked catfish and 2 other fish and some African spice called prekese. You can find these eggplant at your local African grocery store. If not, use whatever eggplant you can get your hands on. It works too. To make my beef bone broth, I added shallot, garlic, black pepper, and turmeric. Why not add all of these yumminess to the soup? Yes. To get all of the nutrients from bone beef broth, you have to cook the bones for a very long time. For that reason, I started cooking the bones with 8 cups of water. The longer the bones cook, you will notice that the color of the water, which is the broth, keeps changing and it will start turning brown. The brown part of it is where all of the nutrient is. I wanted the bones to keep boiling, so I added 8 more cups of water. Yes, I know, I want all of the nutrients. Most of the nutrients is the brown part of the water. So what I'm doing is I am taking off the fat, which is on top. So I will be left with all of the collagen for my body. Yes. We are moving right along. Whenever you are boiling eggplant, please just cut it in half. Once the veggies are done cooking, I just put it all in the blender. I do not peel off the skin. I remember as a kid, helping around in the kitchen, I will be asked to peel off the skin of the eggplant, the butter beans, and the peanut, but I do not peel them. I just put it all in the blender and let it blend. It's full of fiber. It's showtime for the smoked fish. So now I am adding the fish to it. Fish is also great for your body. It has omega fat in it. So I also add fish to my soup and it's gonna boil and all of the nutrients from the fish will also come in my soup. Nkwanwe, ahoɔden wɔ mu paa. Whenever you add this African spice to your soup, you have to roast it so the aroma will be released. It is filled with so many health benefits. I will list it in the description box. Yes. If you are like me and always wonder why your grandparents always had amazing firm skin when you visited them, I have come to learn that it is in the soup. Yes. The blended veggies are the last item you will add to your soup, which means we are coming to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please remember new videos will be uploaded every Saturday. There will be part 3 this week showing how to make the spicy plantains.